Lovelyxriot, Dani Riot, or Riot for short. I'm a Twitch streamer for about 2 years. I stream creative and gaming. So when I mean creative, I mean cosplay, because, you know, games and cosplay, I think, go hand in hand. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch, and add me on Xbox Live, and maybe we can play some games. The games that I do play are Gears of War, Dota 2, Star Wars The Old Republic, and Sea of Thieves, because being a pirate is so much fun. When I said creative, I stream cosplay, so you get to watch me make and hurt myself with the various things that you make cosplays out of. But I just want to say thank you to Project Sumperk for doing this video, and I just want to say this community is awesome, and yeah, hope to see you guys. Thank you!